Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to join a Zoom meeting quickly and efficiently. Zoom is a fantastic tool for virtual meetings, and knowing how to join a meeting seamlessly can enhance your experience. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Get the meeting link or ID. Before you can join any Zoom meeting, you will need the meeting link or the meeting ID and passcode. Usually, the host will send this information via email or message. Make sure to have it handy. Step 2. Open Zoom. You can join a meeting from a desktop computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. To join via a web browser, simply go to the Zoom website. If you have the Zoom app installed, you can open it directly. Step 3. Click on Join a Meeting. If you're using the Zoom app, click on the Join button. If you're on the web browser, look for the Join a Meeting option on the homepage. Step 4. Enter the meeting ID. In the prompt that appears, enter the meeting ID that you received. This is typically a 9, 10, or 11-digit number. Step 5. Input the passcode. If the meeting requires a passcode, you'll be prompted to enter it after inputting the meeting ID. Type it in and press Join. Step 6. Choose your audio preferences. Once you join the meeting, you'll need to select how you want to connect your audio. You can choose to join with computer audio or dial in using your phone. Make your selection and click Join with computer audio if you prefer that option. Step 7. Enable video, optional. If you want to be seen in the meeting, ensure your video is turned on. You can do this by clicking the Start Video button on the toolbar. Step 8. Familiarize yourself with controls. Once in the meeting, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Zoom controls. You can mute, unmute your microphone, start, stop your video, and access the chat feature from the toolbar. Remember, you can join a Zoom meeting easily by following these simple steps. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.